Good afternoon to one and all. I am Haimavati from class 8 and she is Pujita. We both are studying in Global Kids School in Kametopu. Today our project is volcano. She will explain how it works. Volcanoes are opening in the Earth's crust where lava, ash and gases erupt. Volcanoes are classified as active or extinct. Volcanoes often form a hill or mountain as layers of rocks build up to form until the gases escape. A volcano can produce lava flows, baryonic flows, and ash clouds. Lava flows means molten rock that produce from volcano. Pyroclastic flows, fast moving of hot clouds of ash, smoke, and rocks that can be deadly. Ash clouds, clouds of ash, smoke that can affect the environment and climate, and it causes to air pollution. Now we are going to demonstrate. Let's watch. Now we have to pour vinegar. Now we have to add baking soda in it. Now we have to ENO.
మీరు వీడియో చూసారా? నచ్చిందా? అయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి మరియు మీ మా గ్లోబల్ కిడ్స్ స్కూల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.